Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to your English class. Today we will study English grammar, chapter number 2, concrete and abstract nouns. So, students, concrete and abstracts are another two main kinds of noun which we will study today. So, let's begin with the first one, that is concrete nouns. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun is a word which names something that we can see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. As you know, students, that nouns are the words which give name to things, people, animal, ideas, etc. And concrete nouns are those words which names anything which we can perceive with one or more of our five physical senses, that is touch, see, taste, smell, or hear. In simpler words, we can say that concrete nouns are the names of those things which we can experience with our five senses. For example, a bird. We can see a bird, therefore, a bird is a concrete noun. A perfume, we can smell a perfume, therefore, it is also an example of concrete noun. Next comes a noise of loudspeaker. We can see a loudspeaker and we can also hear its noise. Therefore, it is also an example of concrete noun. Next comes a book. We can easily touch a book. We can see a book. So, we are perceiving, we are experiencing a book with our senses. Therefore, it is also an example of concrete noun. And the last one is an orange. We can experience an orange with our four senses, that is, we can see an orange, we can smell an orange, we can touch it, and we can taste it. Therefore, it is also an example of concrete noun. For more clarification of this concept, let's have a look at some other examples of concrete nouns. First one is a baby. We can see a baby, we can touch a baby. Therefore, baby is an example of concrete noun. Second one is school, a place, and we can see a place, we can see school. It is also an example of concrete noun. And third comes a cat, which we can see, hear, touch. Therefore, it is also an example of concrete noun. So, students, moving further, let's have a look at some examples of concrete noun in sentences. First one is I love reading books. Here the word book is a concrete noun, as I have told you earlier also that we can see books, we can touch books, therefore they belong to the category of concrete nouns. Second sentence is I am listening to music. Here the word music is a concrete noun because we can hear music, though we cannot see it, but we can hear it. Therefore, it also belongs to the category of concrete noun. Third comes he is my best friend. In this sentence, the word friend is an example of concrete noun, as a friend can be perceived through the five senses. Next one is I am going to eat this ice cream. Here the word ice cream is a concrete noun, as we can taste it. And the last one is these flowers smell nice. Here the word flower is a concrete noun because we can smell the flowers. So students, concrete nouns concept is clear. It means those nouns which names anything that can be perceived through one or more of the five senses. Now moving further, let's know about the second topic of our chapter, that is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are just opposite of concrete nouns, as concrete nouns are experienced or perceived through our five senses. Abstract nouns are not perceived through our senses. Let's study further. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun is a word which names something that we cannot see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. In other words, abstract noun refers to the name of those things which we cannot experience or perceive through our five senses. And students, abstract nouns are those nouns that generally refer to the qualities, emotions, and ideas. These are the three things which we cannot perceive through our five senses, that is qualities, emotions, and ideas. Therefore, these three belongs to the category of abstract nouns. For example, love, fear, and name of months. First one is love. Love is a feeling and emotion which we cannot perceive through our five senses. Therefore, it falls under the category of abstract nouns. Second one is fear, which is also an emotion. We cannot experience fear with our five senses. Therefore, it is also an example of abstract nouns. And the third one is April, or the name of any month which we cannot touch or see. Therefore, it also falls under the category of abstract nouns. Now let's have a look at some examples of abstract noun in sentences. The first one is I love my family. Here the word love is again a feeling and emotion which cannot be experienced with the five senses. Therefore, it is an example of abstract noun. Second sentence is a superhero inspires children with his bravery. Here the word bravery is an example of abstract noun as it is a quality, and qualities fall under the category of abstract noun. Next sentence is children are playing happily. Here the word happily is an emotion, is a feeling. So it is an example of abstract noun. So students, hope the concept of abstract noun is also clear to you all. It refers to the name of those things which we cannot experience directly with our five senses. To sum up, we can say that concrete nouns refer to tangible things or something which we can touch and see or experience with our other three senses, whereas abstract noun refers to intangible things or something which we cannot experience with our senses. Hope you must have understood these two kinds of noun well. We'll meet you in the next turn. Till then, take care and keep learning.